Hey, I just wanted to make you a quick video about our service and how it came about, who we are, why we do the things that we do. And uh, the main topic that we do is Azure Cost Control as a Service. We do FinOps for you as a service. And uh, just so you know, my background is 15 years of finance, and then I switched to IT. And the last few years, I've been able to be a consultant for big companies where I help them either in architect, senior DevOps engineer, or in a FinOps capacity. And so I've really found a passion and love for FinOps as it's combining the financial and it combines the IT together. And so that's where I've really found my niche. Um, and so the cool thing about the cloud is how fast and easy it is to use. But they also promised it would be cheaper than an on-premise data center, and I think it is, but it needs to be managed. And most clients during my consulting years have not been managing it, and that's where I designed this program. It's to find all of the things that you're doing wrong in your Azure spend and help fix it and improve your situation. And between all the things that we do, you'll easily save 20 to 50%. Some of the things that you would get if you sign up with us are, the first thing we start with is right sizing. We just do an audit of all of your different computes and all of your storages and make sure that they're being utilized. Sometimes we recommend that they get sized up, and sometimes we recommend that they're oversized and that you could save a lot of money by reducing them. The next thing we do is reservation management, and what that is there's two. If we kept things super simple, there's two pricing models. There's a pay-as-you-go model, which is out of the box. Everyone that builds a VM instantly gets signed up for pricing, for pay-as-you-go pricing. And that's fine because, hey, I just need a VM right now. Great. Spin it up. It's all set up. Great. It's ready to go. The problem comes in when you end up using that in part of your production environment or long-term solution, and you're still paying the pay-as-you-go service. So the thing we do is we switch you to the reservation or commitment pricing, and we can lock in savings of up to uh, anywhere between 30 and 70%, depending on how long you're willing to commit. But we manage that all for you. So the same VM that you're spending 500 bucks for, we could get it for you for 300 or possibly even 200 if you commit to a 2-year or a 3-year subscription. The next thing we do is a storage and um, blob uh, management. We review and audit all your storage and blobs, not the actual data, but just the files, see how much you have. Companies don't realize that they're just, every file is going in there and just growing and growing and growing it. The next thing we offer is automated turning on and off of lower environments. So most companies have 3 or 4 environments, not and prod. So if we just turn off the lower environments while your team is not working on them, that'll save you 70%. So yeah, that's something we do. We also do a licensing audit, and then we also find and discover all waste. So if anything is not being used, common times data disks are being out there that aren't being used, or IP addresses or firewalls or app gateways, anything that's just not attached to anything, we help identify so you can clean that up. And we also offer reporting. So if right now you get a 50, 60 page Azure bill and you're scratching your head going, what does this mean? The reporting's definitely going to help you with telling you how much you're going to spend, why you're doing it this way, and it's going to offer a lot better insights into your spending. So again, we've been doing this for a little while, and most of our clients are experiencing between 20 and 50% savings. The bigger spenders are definitely getting the higher end of the savings, but even one of our most recent clients who spends about 5 grand a month, we got them 50% savings, and now they're only spending 2,500 a month. So it works no matter what size of company you are. Here's a bunch of Q&A, but here's all you got to do to sign up is get started, pay us, and then log in, get logged in. And then we click on this Microsoft login. And what this will do is build a service principal for us. Our service principal does not have the ability to delete anything. So any delete recommendations will be forwarded on to you and your team. It's got mostly read and manage of the things that I was talking about. So it's got purchaser of reservations and certain things like that. But we can customize the service principal to any of your requirements. We don't have reading of individual files, but we do need to be able to read and analyze the CPU, memory usage, all that of your various equipment, right? So anyway, yeah, it's just that easy. Click here. This will build a service principal, and then in the background, our automation will go through and find all these things for you, and we find savings all the time for you. So yeah, really easy solution. Love to help and uh, you know fix that whole issue of your IT budget. You definitely should look into this because you're overspending by a lot. And so the cloud ROI is definitely there. We also have a lot of blogs and case studies for you to check out. So again, thank you again for your time. Have a great day.